Hi, I'm Dr. Ashish Davalbhakta at Aesthetics and Spine Advanced Aesthetics. I'm also the lead aesthetic plastic surgeon at My Aesthetic Plus in Navi Mumbai. I have covered Mommy Makeover in one of my previous videos and explained to you what Mommy Makeover is. So when you combine reversing the changes of the breast, the abdomen and the genitalia or the vagina, that is called as Mommy Makeover. Now, you may be thinking of undergoing a mommy makeover and are in a dilemma what you should address first or in which sequence you should go. Yes, you can do them sequentially one after the other, but you can also do them all at once. And your aesthetic plastic surgeon would be the best person to guide you looking at your fitness. And if you wish to have all of them done at the same time, it is possible. Of course, it's a more involved procedure. The downtime is more. You do feel like going through a lot, but it all depends on your willpower, your strength, and your keenness to have it all done and dusted in one procedure. So yes, you can have either breast lifted, augmented, or reduced, along with an abdominoplasty, along with vaginal tightening done at the same time. You can have genitalia improved. There are various things that are done like fat grafting and maybe even augmentation treatments, or labia minora tightening as well, or reduction. So you can stage them in any sequence. You can either do your abdominoplasty first, that gives you the maximum amount of improvement, and you can do the breast work, and then you can treat the dilated or enlarged vagina and tighten the perineal muscles. So all of this, if staged, it doesn't matter in what sequence you do, but you should do the one that most bothers you. So if you're mostly bothered with the abdominal fold or the bulge in your abdomen, then doing that first gives you the most significant improvement and the most satisfaction. On the other hand, if you feel that the breasts are too heavy or the breasts have deflated and you're losing confidence and would like to have an augmentation or a lift, then do that first. So that's the basic philosophy behind sequencing of the procedures in a mommy makeover. And it's fairly simple. If you wish to understand more and would like to see what would suit you best, do give us a call, write to us, email us, and we'll be happy to entertain your concerns. Thank you very much.